Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, if you want your heart rate to mountain climb, strap in for some Hammock mountain climbers on the path of least resistance. Drop the hardware of your leash over the top rail of a sturdy open fence, then pull the hardware through its own handle. Do this for your other leash about 3 feet away, then clip the clips together. Step into the hammock facing away from the fence. Place the hammock about where your belt would go. You can put a towel on the leashes for added comfort. Lean way forward on the hammock with one leg bent forward and another straight back. Then jump and switch legs. Continue this motion like you're a mountain goat, galloping effortlessly up the side of the Himalayas. Start with short bursts, then work your way up to a 60-second sprint. You can use this video to time yourself, and if that's easy, you can climb the entire mountain of Path of Least Resistance tutorials. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. If you want to climb every mountain without leaving the hammock, try Hammock Mountain Climbers on the Path of Least Resistance.